Did you know that one man's suspicious behavior at flight school may have prevented an even deadlier 9/11 attack? Meet Zacarias Moussaoui, the man who was supposed to be the 20th hijacker on September 11, 2001. But weeks before the attacks, Moussaoui made a critical mistake. He walked into a Minnesota flight school and paid $8,000 in cash to learn how to fly Boeing 747s. Here's what made instructors suspicious. He only wanted to learn how to steer the plane in flight. He had zero interest in takeoffs or landings. The FBI arrested him on immigration violations just weeks before 9/11. But here's the frustrating part. Bureaucratic red tape prevented agents from searching his laptop, which contained crucial details about the planned attacks. During his trial, Moussaoui revealed his true mission. He was planning to fly a plane directly into the White House as part of a separate Al-Qaeda operation. He became the only person convicted in connection with 9/11 on American soil, sentenced to life in prison without parole.